Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motor Imran. So I recently came back from a short ride and this is how my chain is looking all dusty and greasy. In this video I'm going to show you with the help of very minimum tools and no pressure wash how you can make your chain go from looking like this to this. So let's start the video. So to start with, you need some tools. One of them is this brush. This is a chain cleaning brush. You get it anywhere. This is one of the best chain cleaner I have used. This is of BDSSP, and I don't know, but I love this chain cleaner. I'll show you in the video how it works. And this is a Motul Chain Lube. And one cloth you need. Any cloth is fine. I would recommend you to put your bike on main stand or a paddock stand, which is very necessary for safety purposes. One disclaimer I would like to put here is to never put your hand or finger near the chain or on the chain while the bike is running. It is very risky and you may lose your finger. Always use a brush, and if you are used to it, you can use the brush while the bike is on, but I would recommend for beginners to turn the bike off and then do the whole process that I'm going to show you. So to start with, we're gonna spray the chain cleaner on the chain, and I put the bike on first gear and kept it running, and now we're gonna spray it all over the chain. It comes with an extendable nozzle so that your safety is not compromised. So as you can see, we're gonna spray it from the inside, outside, and the other places where the chain cleaner won't be going. So we're going to change our angles and then put the chain cleaner on the chain. So after putting the chain cleaner, as you can see, the chain cleaner is already doing its job. It's removing all the dirt, grease and mud from the chain. We have not even used the brush till now, and the chain cleaner is working very well. That's why I prefer this one over any other brand. So after putting the cleaner, as you can see, the chain sprocket already looks bit clean, and now we're gonna use the brush to remove the excess mud and dirt from the chain and chain sprocket. So I'm giving you a disclaimer once again to only do this while the bike is running if you have a brush like this and if you are not a beginner. So don't do this if you are doing this for the first time. Turn the bike off and then clean it with a brush. Else, if you have done this before and if you have a brush like this, that is an extendable brush, then turn the bike on, put it on first gear and keep the brush like this at a stable position where your hand is not moving that much. So as you can see, I put it at one place only, and then I'm brushing it from a different place. As you can see, this place is a bit unstable, so be careful. So now as you can see how the brush is removing all the dirt and grease from the chain. So it's very helpful if you have this kind of brush. It's very cheaply available in the market, so it's a must have for all the bikers. Now we're gonna clean it from a different angle. This will help us clean the chain from an inside angle. So I'm putting the chain cleaner one more time after brushing the whole chain. So this is an added tip that I would like to give you to use the chain cleaner once again, so that all the dirt and mud that the brush has loosened up, this cleaner will help it remove. So what I like to do here is, after putting on the chain cleaner, give it a throttle, turn on the bike and give it a throttle so that the chains and the wheel are moving at a higher speed. As you can see, all the excess chain cleaner and with the dirt, it's coming out. So this is how it looks after doing the whole process. Now we're going to do the finishing touches. We're going to use a cloth and dry the whole thing up. Please keep in mind this part has to be done when the bike is turned off. Please do not try it when the bike is turned on and in gear. So we're just going to use a cloth and dry it up like this. Now we're going to use the chain lube and we're going to change the nozzle, and we got a extended nozzle. This is a very good chain lube that I found. This is of Motul, as I mentioned earlier. Just swiftly spray it like you sprayed the chain cleaner directly on the chain, and just keep a marking where you can understand that you have lubed the chain properly. So while we're doing the whole process of chain cleaning, I thought of just putting WD-40 on my bike parts. It's always good to have WD-40 with you. This helps remove all the squeaking noises and helps the moving part to be smooth and stable. So there you go guys, the chain cleaning process has been completed, and as you can see the chain looks like new, and we have not used any pressure washer or anything as such, only simple tools. And I would recommend you to do this process every 4 to 500 kilometers. So if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you have any doubts or comments, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer it to you.